Okay, here we are in South Haven. Waves are crazy.
You in South Haven?
Yes, we're in South Haven. Oh gosh, I got sand blowing my eyes. Yep, okay. Window's going back up. My goodness.
The buoys out there where, it tells you you can't go any further, they're underneath the waves. There's people going out in it.
Yeah, that's not supposed to.
They're gonna surf. These people right straight ahead, they're going out there with a surfboard.
Yeah, I would not want to go out there in those kind of waves.
This is where some people, when they go to
What is it?
train for surfing, they go out in Lake Michigan.
Yeah.
I can't even see you.
Got the red flag up. Are you even supposed to be in there when the red flag's up?
I don't think you are. I don't see any boats either.
There was that one day your dad and I were coming. They were going out into this. And I'm looking at them like, you guys are stupid.
Mommy,
Yeah.
get over this way.
You went under.
Good grief. I would not want to be out.
Yeah, they're surfing them. The one guy just did.
Yeah.
Look at them. Holy crap. Them waves are massive.
Right.
You're getting beat up by somebody.
No, they're not getting beat up.
I said beat up.
Oh, bit up.
Yeah, they're getting beat up by somebody.
Okay.
And even the birds are having a hard time flying them. You see, they're trying to fly and they're just struggling with the wind because the wind's beating them off.
Oh, yeah.
They're flying against the wind. They're getting mad because they can't go anywhere. The wind's blocking them.
Yep.
That is so hilarious. I should tell you, Dad, you should come and look at the waves at North Beach. Because I wanted to come to North Beach that one day, but we went to South Beach. But because the waves were just this big that day too, and I'm like, we gotta go over there.
Yeah. I'll roll my window down a little bit. Good grief.
Mommy, I tried going this way.
Ow.
It's cool when we go this way. I go like this way. Sometimes I like this way. It's not enough. I'm not going that next weekend.
Oh, there's barely anybody here. Yeah, I probably wouldn't be here either. I mean, I wouldn't mind relaxing in the sand, but geez. Heck no, I am not going in the water. Look at how much dirt is in the
Parking lot?
yeah.
What does... See, it says water close to public. Doesn't all say that, the red flag.
Exactly.
And they're still in it.
I know, it's ridiculous. Why would you even go in the water? Like, really?
Why are you going in the water when you get hit by somebody?
I don't know.
South Beach is on this area. They're fighting. And then it shows you on like North Beach.
Exactly. Yeah. All those seagulls.
I didn't move.
Yeah.
I didn't move a woman zipper.
Yeah.
South Beach kind of looks like it's got a lot of water.
Mom, why are you going this way?
Look at that.
Oh wow. Holy crap.